Just hours ago, early results from South Africa's latest parliamentary elections suggest a seismic change. The African National Congress, or ANC, which has been at the helm since the dawn of democracy in 1994, is on track to lose its majority. Yes, you heard it right. For the first time in 30 years, the ANC might not be the dominant force in parliament. With about 75% of the votes counted, the ANC is leading with just 42%. A stark decrease from previous years. The Democratic Alliance trails with 22%, and surprisingly, the MK party, led by former President Jacob Zuma's faction, is turning heads with nearly 12% of the vote. Well, what does this mean? Well, the ANC is possibly facing its toughest time yet. They might have to form a coalition to govern, a first in their history. This shift is a clear signal from the public, voicing their frustration over unresolved issues like corruption and unemployment. Now let's swing our focus to Zimbabwe. The news from South Africa has undoubtedly caused a stir among its political circles. Emmerson Mnangagwa's spokesman, George Charamba, has made moves to reassure that despite the ANC's predicaments, ZANU-PF, Zimbabwe's ruling party, will remain strong. But why this reaction from Zimbabwe? Well, political dynamics in one nation often influence neighboring countries, especially in tightly knit regions like Southern Africa. The possibility of political instability in South Africa could impact economic and political relations, and Zimbabwe is keeping a keen eye on these developments. In these crucial moments, the choices made by South African politicians in forming coalitions will not only determine their domestic policy path, but will also influence their diplomatic stands and relations in the region. As we await the final results, one thing is clear: the political landscape in Southern Africa is evolving. And with these changes come new challenges and opportunities for leaders and citizens alike. How will the ANC maneuver through this? What strategies will ZANU-PF employ to maintain its position? These are questions that will unfold in the coming days. So, stay tuned and I'll keep you updated on how these political chess games play out in one of the most dynamic regions of the world.